Research shows that those who attended college have significantly better earning outcomes compared to those who did not. But even when children from poor families make it to college, they still do not earn as much as those who came from rich families and also attended college. Indeed, students who came from rich families make more money after college than those from poor families, resulting in a wide earnings gap. Why does this earnings gap exist? Because children from the poorest families do not go to the same types of colleges as those from the richest families. Poorer students tend to go to less selective colleges. Most students from poorest families, about 60%, go to non-selective colleges, while only 40% go to selective colleges. In contrast, most students from richest families, around 70%, go to selective colleges, with only 30% going to non-selective ones. Those who go to more selective colleges earn more than those who go to non-selective colleges. This is why students from poorest families tend to make less money after college than those from richest families. The earnings gap falls when poor students attend the same colleges as rich students. If we examine the earnings gap between children from the bottom 1% poorest and the top 1% richest families who attended college, we see that, on average in the US, college students from the top 1% families typically end up 19 percentiles higher on the income ladder than those from the bottom 1%. But what happens when the poor students attend the same college? When they attend the same college, the gap falls to 10 percentiles. When they attend the same elite college, the gap shrinks even further to 7 percentiles. Which colleges help students from poor families move up? Not all colleges provide the same opportunities for poor students. Elite colleges offer very high earnings outcomes, but they enroll very few poor students. In fact, only 1 in 25 students at these institutions comes from the poorest 20% of families. On the other hand, some mid-tier colleges provide relatively good earnings outcomes, though not as high as elite colleges. However, they enroll many more poor students. Colleges with the biggest impact in helping poor students move up tend to be mid-tier colleges.